how to manage failed login, lockout on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage failed login, lockout. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and then scroll down until you find security and privacy, and now scroll down until you find failed login, lockout. Now just change it and type here anything you want, and that's it. Then just click save here, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.